Hello students, welcome to all of you. This is our second lecture on representation of geographical features, in which we earlier discussed about the topographical sheet. So firstly, I will give you a quick review of the things, what the topographical sheet is. It is a relief map that shows the height of the land above the mean sea level on a flat surface. So relief map that shows the height of the land above the mean sea level on a flat surface. Since you know that the earth is having a lot of landforms, a lot of relief features which are three-dimensional in nature. Now these three-dimensional relief features can be shown with the help of these methods which are mentioned over here, like contours, foam lines, spot heights, benchmarks, hedges, etc. on a sheet of paper. Like a three-dimensional feature can be shown easily on a sheet of paper. So this entire process is what includes the topographical sheet. A topographical sheet is a map that shows the height of the land above the mean sea level on a flat surface. So contouring is the standard method for representing the relief on a topographical sheet. Now what is contour? Again, the definition of contour. A contour is an imaginary line which joins the points of places having the same height above the mean sea level. It is a line of constant height above the mean sea level. Means the contour is a imaginary line which joins the points of places having same height above the mean sea level. Means one contour covers the areas having the same height. Next is the contour interval or vertical interval. What is contour interval? The difference between the values of any two successive contours is known as the contour interval or the vertical interval. These two contours will be there like this. Two contours are there. First contour, second contour is there. So this entire contour will be showing the areas, means these lines will be joining all the points having the same height. Then there is another line which will be joining the points having the same lines. So this entire single line is called a single contour. Okay? So this is how it goes, and the interval between two successive contours is called the vertical interval. Since they are showing the height, so the interval is called the contour interval or the vertical interval. Next is the horizontal equivalent. The horizontal distance between any two contours is called the horizontal equivalent. The horizontal distance between two contours is called the horizontal equivalent. Next is the identifying landforms through contours. Like when you see a particular type of contour, how will you identify which kind of landform is this? So contours have specific characteristics which we are discussing here. When two contour lines having different heights meet, it means that the slope is vertical like a cliff or a waterfall. Generally the two contours of different height do not meet, but if they are meeting, that means that slope is vertical on that portion like a cliff or a waterfall. Then the spacing between the contour lines indicate the nature of the slope. The spacing between the contour lines indicate the nature of the slope. This we will be discussing now. I will show you also. Next point is the widely spaced, like the spaces show the type of the landform we discussed now only. The widely spaced contour lines show gentle slope, whereas the closely spaced contour lines show the steep slope. So if you are having two contours and the spaces between contour lines are quite broader, then it shows that it is a gentle slope, whereas if they are closely spaced, the contours are closely spaced, that means it is a steep slope. Next is all contour lines are marked with a number which indicates their height above the mean sea level in meters or feet. Next is the contour with zero value represents the coastline. Means the contour is just showing the coastal area. Here in the topo sheet you are also able to see the contour here. This is the contour part. Here I will show you the type of landform and how the contouring is given for a particular type of landform. Like here you are able to see the conical hill, right? This is a conical hill. It rises almost uniformly from the surrounding land. A conical hill with uniform slope and narrow top is represented by concentric contours spaced almost at regular intervals, like shown here. Conical hill, the conical slope of the hill will be shown like this contours, which center and equally spaced contours will be there for a conical hill. Is here you are able to see the plateau, a flat surface, which will be shown in the contour like this. Like here you are able to see the difference clearly between a conical hill and a plateau. Quite broader contours. Next, there is a gentle slope. Gentle slope is there. There is a gentle slope, like you can see here. Gentle slope will be shown. Here you can see gentle slope is shown with widely spaced contours. These are the contour lines you are able to see here. So gentle slope are shown by widely spaced contour line, whereas there is a steep slope which is shown here. You are able to see steep slope with closely spaced contour lines. This is the difference between how we can decipher the actual landforms from reading a topo sheet. This is the significance of the contour lines, that it represents the 3D features of actual land surface on a sheet of paper. By seeing this we can decipher that this is a conical hill and this is a plateau. Next we can discuss about the colors also. This you discussed, you have studied it in the 7th standard also, but still I am giving you a quick review of this. Blue color is used for water bodies. Black colors are used for telegraph lines, dry water bodies, boundaries, railways, grid of parallels, meridians, survey trees and heights, etc. Green color is used for vegetation, trees, scrubs, orchards and forested area. Yellow color is used for cultivated areas. White color is used for uncultivated land. Brown color is used for showing contours, their numbers, form lines, sand dunes, etc. And red color is used for settlements, roads and arbitrary grid lines, that is eastings and northings. So this is it for today. You can go through it again, what we discussed, the slopes, their types and how we represent the different landform features in a topo sheet with the help of contours, the use of colors and some characteristic features of the contours, contour interval, vertical interval and horizontal, this horizontal equivalent. So this is it for today. I think it is enough for you for now. We will discuss it later in detail. Till then, go through it, revise it and take care. Thank you.